Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to put a keep out layer onto your PCB and how to put the text, the overlay text on your PCB for any names to the board and the authorship that you want to put on the board. So this is the simple schematic of my control board for my little robot Chumpy. And I assume that you already know how to update your PCB file with all these components. So I have put all my components onto this PCB. Now it's time to route. So go to the route and auto route all. So you can see while the Altium is trying to route the layers, it is putting the tracks, the wires out of the contour of this PCB, and yeah, the auto routing. So you don't want these tracks go out of the border lines of this PCB. So this is a problem when routing. So you need to define your uh, the final border line for your PCB, which is typically a little bit away from the cutting edges, which is here. So in order to do that, so if I go to the board planning mode or 3D layout mode, you can clearly see that the tracks are out of the PCB. This is not wanted in any case. Okay, so again, going back to the layout mode, all you need to do is to place some rectangle, because my shape of the board is rectangle or a square. So this is a rectangle. You can place this rectangle by going to the place and by making this rectangle. Okay, so I have already placed this rectangle in here properly away from all the edges of my PCB, which is the black side. So all you need to do is just to select this rectangle, and on the right hand side you can see that you have multiple options for your layers. So you want this rectangle to be the keep out layer, like this. Okay, so once it's selected like that, now if I want to, let's say, uh, route again, you can see that now the tracks will stay inside this purple line, the purple rectangle. And with that being said, my original dimensions of the PCB are these black lines. Okay, so now you can see that no line or no track is going out of this keep out layer, which is this little rectangle. So this is how you put a keep out layer on your PCB. And as far as these small letters are concerned, it's a very easy. So you just need to select the top overlay. So generally it's the top overlay layer where you put your text, and you just go to the text in here, or you just place a string and you just put in here. Okay, so string should be uh, new board or new design. Okay, so this is the new design text in here. You can set the text height, like I say it's at 3 mm, and if you want to make it bold, you can select the stroke width, which I say 1 mm. Select that. So I don't want this, I'll remove it. So this is how you put your keep out layer, and you put the overlay text onto the overlay layer of PCB.